In today's video, we're bringing you the 5 cryptocurrencies that are set to boom in March. New advancements with the metaverse real estate and NFTs have given the cryptocurrency space a lot of attention worldwide, and we can assure you that 2022 is going to make a lot of people rich. So, make sure you stick to the end of this video and get to know these 5 cryptocurrencies that are set to erupt, and maybe you can start thinking about getting a piece of that pie. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto, and welcome to ABCrypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _ABCrypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. The Lucky Block takes the first spot in our top 5 cryptocurrencies set to boom this coming March. The Lucky Block is known for transferring lotteries with new blockchain tech. Now, this cryptocurrency is a new lottery platform that aims to revolutionize the $330 billion global industry by solving the lack of transparency and trust in current lottery products. Lucky Block plans to succeed by breaking the grip of decentralized lottery operators by applying the power of Web3's decentralized networks. Guys, with Lucky Block, winners are not just randomly generated in a verified manner, but players will be able to vote on where these charitable donations go, with all transactions visible on the public blockchain. In addition, the cost savings that accrue from running lottery draws on a blockchain are the basis for better odds for ticket buyers. It also pays token distribution to every token holder. Lucky Block will launch on March 21st of 2022 when its mobile app is scheduled to be available. The next cryptocurrency that is set to boom this March is the Sandbox. Well, if you've heard about the metaverse and the NFT games, then this shouldn't be new to you. Sandbox is an ecosystem where gamers can create, own, and monetize their activities with the help of non-fungible tokens and its utility token, Sand. NFTs here are in effect digital certificates of ownership. The player can use NFTs to assign verifiable ownership to their digital assets, to integrate into games, and even trade on marketplaces. The Sandbox provides tools such as Game Maker to enable player engagement. Also, the Sandbox's virtual world, or metaverse, is comprised of digital lots of real estate bought with land tokens, where players can become digital property owners and interact. Pretty cool, huh? Bigger companies such as Facebook have integrated Meta, where people will work, play, and socialize, and even shop. There's an incredible amount of potential here in Sandbox. The third cryptocurrency we'll see booming this March is Decentraland. Decentraland operates almost like the Sandbox and is one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy for exposure to the metaverse. So, Decentraland is another exciting cryptocurrency opportunity that you should consider. Reason being, the platform offers a virtual world that provides scope to monetize in-game items. Users will also be able to buy and sell virtual real estate called land. Currently, with Mana trading at $3.20, there's significant upside potential for months and years ahead. Filecoin, our fourth cryptocurrency on the list, is a distributed data storage network that seeks to turn unused data storage into a business resource, where those with excess storage can sell it to users that are seeking more storage. Exchanges here take place in an automated, algorithmically driven marketplace. The network is built on top of a protocol known as an interplanetary file system, acting as both a layer to incentivize participation in the network and provide security in addition to its peer-to-peer sharing of storage. Buying and selling excess cloud data? While it may not be the most exciting, it sounds pretty promising to us, so don't overlook it. Last but not least on our list is Polkadot. The best crypto blockchain offering scalability, It's simply an innovative protocol that aims to provide interoperability between blockchains and any tool that can connect different services. Nevertheless, blockchains is an incredible investment for the future. Make sure to hurry and get these cryptocurrencies before time's up and you're left out. And always make sure to do your own research on them, as we have not provided every single detail. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.